Imagine this for a second. If your money had a report card today, what grade would it get? An 8. Or more like, yeah, we're repeating the class. Hi, my name is the Tax Extraordinaire, and welcome to Success Talks AI Legacy Blueprint. Let me be honest with you. We were taught how to find X in algebra, but nobody taught us how to find the money we're losing every single month. We learned history dates, but not how to read a paycheck. We learned how to dissect a frog, but not how to fix our credit, plan for retirement, or avoid overpaying in taxes. We witnessed our teachers struggling to make ends meet, feeding our minds with the one weapon no one can take from us, education. And that creates 3 universal pain points almost every family secretly battles. Pain point number 1, I don't know what I don't know. People are losing $5,000, $25,000 a year simply because the education system failed them. Not because they're bad with money, but because nobody ever gave them the playbook. Pain point number 2, I feel like I'm guessing with my finances. Most people don't realize they're one decision away from saving thousands or losing thousands, and guessing is expensive. Pain point number 3, I want to do better, but I don't have guidance. Everyone wants financial peace, but without a coach, without clarity, without tools, it feels impossible. Leave your excuses at the door with AI, Google, and social media education. But why figure it out alone when you can have it in one hub? And that is why we created one place for financial education, the AI Legacy Blueprint Master Calculator. This isn't just a tool. This is your transformation engine. If you've ever had financial stress, it isn't caused by money. It's caused by not understanding how money works. This tool is going to stop having you leave money on the table. Knowledge is the currency of control. These calculators help you seek clarity and stop the loss. This app is not a course. It's 82 plus AI-powered calculators across 14 wealth pillars. All the things school skipped: taxes, credit, real estate, budgeting, life insurance, estate planning, business, nonprofits, travel, mindset, health, AI, automation, everything. Finally, in one hub, one community, one place that speaks money clarity, because simplicity is power. Imagine this. You're a single mom. You're doing everything right, working hard, budgeting as best you can, but you're still struggling. You plug your numbers into the W4 booster inside the blueprint, and suddenly it shows you you've been overpaying taxes for years. Just one adjustment puts $400 a month back into your household, not from a raise, not from a second job, just from finally seeing the numbers clearly. That is transformation. Or imagine you're 50 years old, ready to rebuild your credit after life happened, but scared of messing up yet again. The credit score simulator shows you exactly which actions help your score and which ones destroy it. You avoid repeating mistakes that could have cost you thousands. That's not a calculator. That's a life changer. This is not another course. It's not another budgeting app. It's your 24/7 AI money coach, finally showing you what no teacher, no employer, and no parent ever explained. And right now, you're not just catching this, you're catching it at the pre-launch special. The full price is $997 per year, but for the first 100 people, you get it for just $384 for the year when you use the code pre-launch. Once the first 100 spots are gone, the price goes back up permanently. You're also unlocking access to the Tax Extraordinaire community, 14 financial literacy ebooks, 90-day financial transformation challenge, the Tax Extraordinaire GPT, a social media audit report, and a 7-day lead generation quick start playbook. Over $4,700 in value, all inside a system designed to transform the way you think, move, and build with your money. Here's your next step. Click the button below, enter the code pre-launch, and start with the pillar costing you the most today. When you know better, you build better. Let's build together. The AI Legacy Blueprint was created so you never have to guess again, never leave money on the table again, and finally build the legacy your family deserves. Click below, use code pre-launch, and I'll see you inside the AI Legacy Blueprint.